how to create SKU code for selling products in Jumia, in Amazon, in any selling or e-marketing website. Follow me in this video to know how to do this. This is it is just you will put unique number combined from characters and numbers like OSM 321. Okay, so this is the unique number. You have to copy and put it in the description of the product you are selling, and tell that it's SKU code here, SKU code, and paste this beside it. So this is okay. Okay, and here you have, because next time you are dealing with this and then submit, so you have to put the start date, okay, and last date will be in 26 February. Okay, and then this is the end date, start date, okay, July 12. Okay, and put in next year 25 October 22, and press okay, then submit. So if there is any problems, you have to fix it. Like this is maybe long title, you have to decrease it. It should be in English, so you have to put it in English.